Today is the fourth day of carnivore diet. To be completely honest, I wouldn't say that I am 100% strict, but for the most part, for example, I had those Korean mini sausages. I'm sure hindi siya 100% meat. And then I paired it with fried egg. So and then my second meal was umorder ako dun sa Kowloon House nung kanilang jumbo siopaw and their sausage pao. Pero tinanggal ko yung breading, just the meat. And again, I'm sure that's not 100% meat. Siyempre may mga iba-ibang halo yun. But I would count it. So, I've been doing the carnivore diet for 4 days, and then I've been pairing it with intermittent fasting. So today I ended my meal at 3:05 p.m. It's as of this recording, it's 10:25 p.m. and I'm not hungry. Weird. Normally by this time nagugutom na ako, but wala. I feel so satiated. That's tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Basta hindi ako gutom. And I plan to eat tomorrow at 11 o'clock pa because I'm going out with some friends. We're gonna have only wings, so which I am very excited about. That will be my only meal for the day. Yeah, I feel great. Yung kinukwento ko kahapon na parang constipation, I still had that constipation, diarrhea, pero like towards the end of the night parang wala na masyado. The joints, for some weird reason, maybe it's just a coincidence, they are not aching as much. Who knows? So Friday will be my weigh-in and my measuring day. Let's see. Wish me luck. And yeah, so that's it. That's it for today's update. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow along in my carnivore diet life. That's it.